Hey everyone, this week we've got a couple of BMW wagons. In BMW speak they call these Tourings. They're kind of forbidden fruit in in America at least. We never got these. If you do see these on the road, it's because they're imported now under the 25-year rule, which if you don't know, after 25 years you can basically bring almost anything you want into America. They don't really worry about emissions and things like that after 25 years. First up, the Otto E30 Touring. Really nice gray color. This is marked as a 325i. These would have started as 318s with, I think it's the M42 4-cylinder, but this would have been a straight 6. I forgot the engine code for a straight 6. M10, M20, M30, one of those. I don't pretend to be a BMW expert on platform codes and engine codes, but there you go. So this is by Otto. Coarse sealed resin, very nice basket weave BBS wheels. Really no real window flaws to speak of, because they're pretty flat, which helps. No paint flaws. A little sad to see the closed grills. The first few years I was collecting Otto, you wouldn't see that. Everything would be an open grill, even at the lower price point. And if anything, the price has gone up. Interior detail's pretty good. Has the sports seats. Nice thing with BMW sports seats is the adjustable leg extensions, which are always kind of neat. I really enjoy those in BMWs. Underneath, car number 786 of 3000. That's another thing to notice is Otto has really increased their production runs, which just makes them a little less special, but it is what it is. This I pre-ordered, so retail when it hits the US is usually about 130 bucks or so, but I think I paid 80 shipped. So at that price, definitely not mad at it. This is the next generation, the E36, again a Touring that we did not get. This is not an M3, this basically has an M Performance or M Appearance package. They could have called it M Technic. They had a variety of different names for these packages. This is marked a 328i. Again, that would have been the straight 6. That's probably the M52. You know, BMW engines, M is for regular production, S in front usually means an M engine. So this would have been an M52, pretty sure at least. The color is my favorite, Estrol Blue. You can tell these wheels, these were basically on our North American 328 IS. These are not, you know, M3 wheels. Again, the color's great. No real window flaws to speak of. Black sport interior. These didn't have, you know, the cool seats of the M3, which were called the Vaders, which are some of the best seats I've ever sat in. And again, I really wish the grills were open, but they're not. Still a really, really cool car. I've seen a few of these with M3 drivetrain swaps in the US. And again, car number 446 out of 4,000. A few years ago, you would never see Otto do a run that big. For the longest time, they only did runs of about 1,000. For packaging, again, Otto is the world's most boring packaging. It's a white box, not really marked in any way. Same for them both. The only way to tell what you're getting is to read the label. That's for the Touring. Again, I pre-ordered it, so retail was about 130 bucks-ish. Landed here for $80, which again, that price, not mad at it. So that's it for this week. Please tune in next week. I have a backlog of 30 to 50 cars to review, so that's what I'll be doing for a while. Everyone have a good one. Please like and subscribe.